Hey folks, today is October the 16th. It's currently 7:05 in the afternoon. We're going to look at doing our week number 4 update review for Bounce Trader. I know last week we were down 1.42%, overall 2.53%. So let's go ahead and check out the review page here. Fingers crossed we were able to crawl up out of that hole a little bit. Let's take a quick look and see. All right, so we're kind of flat this week, as you guys can see here. At present, down 2.49%. And this week we only made 0.03%. Would have liked to see a little bit more, but it's only been 4 weeks, so we're still pretty early on. We're only down 2.49%, so we'll let it continue to run, keep watching it, and hopefully things can turn around here. But at this point, you saw September lost 2.27%, and so far for October, we're down 0.22% overall. And we do have 2 weeks left in the month, so I'm really hoping that by the end of this month, we can crawl back out the rest of the way, because if we're only going to be making little tiny profits like this, let's go ahead and jump into the MT4 so we can see what type of profits we made this week. All right, so we don't have any trades open going into the weekend. First day of the week was the 12th. And it looks like we only closed out one trade, as you guys can see right here on 10/15. So let's go ahead and check. We made $2.40. So definitely not a lot on that trade. And it looks like that trade was kept open most of the week. See what day that opened. All right, so wow. So that was a trade that opened up on the 7th. So that was last week on Wednesday. And it just closed out yesterday, which was Thursday. All right, so this right here is where it started. It was a sell trade. Went against us a bit. Let's see how, wow. So it really went against us for a bit of time there. Then came down in the profit, went against us again, and finally just decided to close it out right here. Interesting stuff. I know a few times we were over 20. Wow. So we were over 51 pips in profit at one point. So I'm not sure how it determines when it's going to close out the trade. Like I said, I'm going to give this EA plenty of time to show us, at some point, hopefully we'll have some large winning trades. That's kind of what I'm hoping for here. I want to make sure I give it plenty of time to be able to do that. All right. Because I definitely see this is more of a long-term expert advisor, just based on what I've seen. Some of the others that I'm testing are good for the short term, but hopefully this one will turn out to be a winning EA. But obviously we can't make the market give us profits, so just got to report whatever it gives to us here. And at present, 4 weeks in, we are currently down, as I stated, 2.49%. But like I said, hopefully over a 3 or 4 month period, we'll see that we're in profit in the long run. Because I've heard it said plenty of times, you shouldn't judge most EAs based on a weekly or monthly results. You should kind of look at things from a larger point of view here. And I think this EA is one of those where we're going to have to definitely look at things from a larger point of view. There are others that excel, in the short term, do really well in the short term. Obviously, this at present is not one of those. So we'll see what happens. All right, folks, as always, if you have any questions whatsoever on Bounce Trader, send them my way, and I'll try to get them answered. And if you want to test it out for yourself, make sure you click the link on the page. All right, guys, hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on our week number 5 Bounce Trader update on the 23rd. Take care, folks.